It's a day in the office and your files were not ready. And you scream, "What is happening here? What is going on? We had delegated so much of work. We have a meeting." We only and only raise our voice and not our words. My dear friends, in life, learn to raise the standard of your words and not your voice. Throwing the tantrums at our helpers at home, throwing your tantrums at the children at home, throwing your tantrums at the employees at work, is this the right way? Think about it. Rage, anger, aggression is the reason to raise our voice. The reason is because we are lonely from inside. The fact is that we feel that nobody can hear us loud, and that is why we raise our voice so much to communicate this little thought of words. Why do we have to do this? Can love and simplicity not communicate? Yes, we need to assert something. We need to tell and speak or communicate something, to tell something in a more aggression. Can we not communicate with better words? You think they would not listen? Shouting aloud shows the emptiness in yourself. You are somewhere lonely. You are somewhere empty, or you love to create drama, and that's your ego. Think about it. We don't have to do that. Who is hearing it? The first receiver of this anger, rage, or aggression. It is you, my dear friends. It is us. Our entire nervous system and chemicals that are released in the body is all changed. We spoil the quality of our own life. Try this, my dear friends. Instead of raising your voice so high at the pitch of it, there was this lovely incident and a story that was told. There was a family that was living together. In this family, there was a lot of imperfect things. So, when the husband did not perform something right, the wife found whatever in the kitchen and threw it at him. And if he caught that, the husband would laugh. And if he missed that shot, the wife would laugh. Can this anger not change to laughter? It is possible, but it's up to us. How we can change the situation to be more positive as an environment. My dear friends, you and me have to live in the same environment. So why can't we choose to do something different so that we can keep our brains, our neurons, our cells, our nervous system so intact that as long as we live, we still can feel young, look young, and encourage and feel that energy within ourselves. This little principle and this little practice can make a great difference. Try it for yourself, experience it, and see what it does to you. Thank you.